Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. A forward tangent having a slope of negative 4% intersects the back tangent having a slope a positive 7% at point V at station 6 plus 300 having an elevation of 230 meters. It is required to connect the two tangents with an unsymmetrical parabolic curve that shall pass through point A. On the curve having an elevation of 227.57 meters at station 6 plus 270. The length of curve is 60 meters on the side of the back tangent. Question A. Determine the length of the curve on the side of the forward tangent. Question B. Determine the stationing of the highest point of the curve. And question C is determine the elevation of the highest point of the curve. Okay. So, as you can see, ito yung ating figure. Meron tayo dyang mga given. Una is negative 4%. So, meron tayong negative and then, meron tayong forward tangent. Ayan, kaya nandyan yan. Okay, negative 4%. And then, yung ating back tangent is positive, means sa pataas siya. At point V. So, yun yung ano. So, kung i-drawing natin, nagsimula tayo dito pababa, wrong. So, ito yung naging point B. Pwede naman, pero mag-i-increase dito. I mean, kakaroon tayo dito ng dito tayo makakapag-plot instead na dito. Okay, merong elevation na 230 meters and then kanyang station is 6 plus 300. And then required two tangents with an unsymmetrical tayo, parabolic curve. So sa unsymmetrical may mga conditions tayo dyan mamaya. If yung highest point of the curve ba natin is sa left side or sa right side. Okay? So first is let's compute yung ating length of the curve on the side of the forward tangent. Ano bang length nito? Okay, yung curve na ating sinusolve. Okay? So first, ang magiging plan natin, so since wala tayong value ng h, wala tayo ng y sub 1, y sub 2, so isosolve natin yan. So, ang given lang is the station, this elevation, pero may mga differences in elevation tayo na makukuha. You can see, meron tayo dito, 230, tapos may length tayo dyan na 60. So, pwedeng magpunta tayo dyan, and then, kunin natin yung elevation dito. So, kasi given yung elevation nung A So, in that way, masasolve natin yung Y1, and then, masasolve din natin si H. So, hindi natin pwede dito gamitin yung formula for yung isa or symmetrical curve kasi ito ay unsymmetrical. So, yung ating formula ng H equals yung L over something. Okay? So, magiging ganun yung process natin from this point. Gagapang tayo pababa. And then, kunin natin elevation nito, minus natin dito, makuha natin si y sub 1, and then, gamitin natin yung ratio and proportion again ng ating square property of parabola. So, makuha natin si H. Okay? And then, after that is, pwede na nating isolve yung ating pangalawang curve or yung L sub 2. Okay? So, first is from our first question, yung length of curve. Length of curve. Okay, so start tayo sa elevation. So, elevation, solve natin yung elevation at B. So, equals, from this point, meron tayong 230. So, multiply natin yung length nito, 60, and then yung kanyang grade. So, ang grade niya is 7%. So, lalagay natin. Pero since ang kailangan lang natin kunin is from this point, yung known natin, so, x lang na to. Hindi itong mahaba. Itong ating x lang from the y sub 1, yung point na yon. Okay? So, let's type or let's write. So, minus 30 Then yung ating grade na 7%, so 0.07. So lagay na lang natin dito yung ating given for our grade 1. So 7% yan will be 0.07. Then for grade 2 natin is negative 4%. So equal yan sa negative 0.04. Okay. So, meron tayong value elevation at B na 230 minus 30 times sa ating 0.07. Meron tayong 227.9 meters. Okay, so ito yung ating value ng ating B ay 227.9 meters. Therefore, yung ating y sub 1, as you can see sa figure, so meron tayong 227.9 minus yung ating 227.57. So, minus lang natin yan ng 225.57. So, meron tayong value na 227, right? So, minus 2 pa natin. Kulang, ayan, 0.33. Now, to get the value of h, so gamitin natin yung ating square property of parabola. So, meron tayo dyang 2 triangles or parabola na i-consider. Itong una, ayan. Ayan. So, highlight ko lang ito. And then, itong parabola natin. So, tsaka itong h. Ayan, and y. So, since meron tayong y sub 1, so meron tayong y sub 1 over yung ating 30, yung kanyang length. Ayan. Meron tayong 30 square kasi gamit tayo ng square property of parabola. And then, yung ating h na hinahanap over yung ating length na mahaba is 60. Okay? Ayan. So, meron tayong 60 square. So, lagay ko lang yung value na ating y, yan ay 0.33. So, meron tayong 0.33 squared times 60, hindi pala naka-squared yun, times 60 squared over 30 squared. Ayan, so meron tayong value na 1.32. Therefore, yung ating h equals 1.32 meters. Ayan, so pag na-solve na natin yung h is magagamit na natin yung ating formula using ito naman, yung ating formula sa unsymmetrical curve. Yung similar triangle, ayan, small, and then yung bigger triangle. So, ulit ko lang, itong small, similar triangle yan, and then, itong bigger triangle. Okay, so for our first formula, derive naman na to. So, meron tayong 2h over yung ating L sub 1 equals yung ating L sub 2 quantity G1 minus G2 over yung ating L1 plus L2. So, kung hindi ito kabisado, so makikita naman din yan sa ating triangle. So, sabi ko nga, meron tayong smaller triangle. For the left side is 2h. So, as you can see, ito yung L natin sa baba. L lang yan, L1. Ayan. And then, dalawa yung H natin pag gagawa tayo. So, kung nalimutan, so, ayan naman. And then, yung bigger triangle natin, ayan. So, meron tayong L2, G1 minus G2 para sa kanyang height. And then, yung length niya is yung L1 tsaka L2. Okay, so check natin yung mga meron na tayong value. Dito, may H na tayo, may L1 tayo, wala pa tayong L2. May G1, may G2, may L1, wala tayong L2. Diba? So, ngayon, ang hinahanap is length of the curve nung ating nasa forward tangent. So, ayan, magkakaroon na tayo, which is yung L sub 2. So, direct sub na lang. So, for 2h, so meron tayong 2 multiplied by 1.32 over yung ating 60 length ng first curve natin. And then, yung ating L sub 2 is unknown pa. G sub 1 natin is 0.07. Then minus yung ating negative 0.04. Negative 0.04 para sa ating G sub 2. Ito lang natin to ng bracket sign. Yan. Over. Yung ating L sub 1 na 60 plus L sub 2. Yan. Therefore, meron tayong L sub 2 equals. So, type lang sa ating calculator. Meron tayong 2 times 1.32 over 60 equals yung ating x 0.07 minus or plus ko na ha, gawin ko ng plus 0.04 over yung ating 60 plus x. And then yan. So, meron tayong L sub 2 equals 40 meters. Ayan. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, ganun lang paano kunin yung ating first question. So, from this point, diba, yung given na ano. Okay, so since hindi natin pwedeng ma-solve kasi ito ay unsymmetrical, so ganun yung process natin. Okay? For our next question, yung ating question number 2. Ayan, ang tinatanong dyan yung stationing ng ating station at the highest point of the curve. The highest point of the curve. So, check muna natin kung nasaan ba yung highest point of the curve. Nandito ba sa left side or nasa right side niya. Okay? So, to check is gamitin natin yung ating formula. Example, yung ating L1G1 over yung ating 2. So, kung ito ay greater than H, so, ibig sabihin yan is nasa right side. So, let's check. Ibig sabihin yan ay nasa right side. Ayan. So, yung ating L1 is 60. Times yung ating grade 2 is 0.07 over 2. So, meron tayong 60 times 0.07 over 2. Ayan. So, meron tayong 2.1. So, greater than ba siya sa H? Anong H natin ay 1.32. So, meron tayo. Therefore, yung ating highest point ay nasa right side. Therefore, the highest point, sulat natin, highest point is on the right side. Right side. Ayan. Okay? So, using yung ating dahil na-confirm natin na nasa right side yung ating highest point, so gamit yung ating formula for the right side. So, meron tayong S sub 2. Then, equal siya sa ating G2, L2 squared over yung ating 2H. So, meron tayong G2 na 0.07 over yung ating length na 40 squared over yung ating 2 times yung H natin is 1.32. So, meron tayong S2 na 0.07 times 40 squared over 2 times 1.32. Ayan. So, meron tayong 42. Yung natin, 0.07, 2 over 1.07. G2 natin ay 0.4 pala. Sorry. Ayan. Ito natin yan. So, G1 pala yung ating kanina. So, let's nagkamali tayo ng sulat dito. And then, ito ay 0.4. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, meron tayo dyang 0.4. So dito, nagkamali lang tayo ng sulat. Always remember na yung kung L1 yan, kapartner niya rin syempre yung grade niya 1. So, namali lang tayo ng sulat dyan. Then dito, meron pa rin, partner talaga yan. Kung G2 yan, L2 yun. Okay? Meron tayo dyang 0.4. Ayan. So 24 meters. So ito ay from PT. Diba? From the right side. So, papunta tayo dito. Ayan. Kaya meron tayong 24.24 dyan. So, meron tayo from, say natin, from right side. Ayan. Okay. So, hindi, yan na ba yung tinatanong? Hindi eh. Length lang yan eh. So, ang tinatanong is station at the highest point. So, gagawin natin, may binigay ba na station sa ating PT. So, wala. So, di ba? Walang binigay. So, dito, meron. So, gawin na lang natin. Dahil alam naman natin yung length 2. So, i-plus na lang natin to. Na tayo dyan sa PT. Then, i-minus natin yung 24.24. Or, kung may shortcut pa, edi si 40. Minus na lang natin si 24.24. Ganun rin naman yung kalalabasan. Then, i-plus. And then, yun na yung magiging station. Sige. For the station ng ating station of PT, lagay natin station at PT. Sige, dito na tayo dumaan. So 6 plus 300, and then plus yung length ng ating pangalawang curve is 40. Therefore meron tayong 6 plus 340. Ngayon yung station naman natin at the highest point. So, meron tayong yung station natin sa PT, minus natin yung from the right side, diba? So, 24.24. So, meron tayong 6 plus 340 minus 24.24. Therefore, meron tayong station at the highest point na 6 plus 315.76. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. And then for our last question is tinatanong, determine the elevation of the highest point of the curve. So ito namang elevation niya. Ano bang elevation nito? So since may length na tayo dyan, so yun na lang din yung ating isolve. So using yung ating square property of parabola. So for number 3, the elevation of the highest point of the curve. The highest point of the curve. Ayan. So, using yung ating y sub 2, ayan, yung ating hinahanap. And then, yung length niya is yung ating 24.24. Don't forget yung squared equals yung value ng ating h over yung ating length ng ating second curve is 40 squared. So, ito yan. Kung anong triangle or parabola, ito naman yun. Ayan. Yung dalawang parabola na to. Okay. So, solve natin. Meron tayong y sub 2 equals. Then, yung ating h yan ay 1.32. So, meron tayong y sub 2. 1.32 muna times 24.24 squared over 40 squared. Hindi na over. Over 1.32 times 24 squared over 40 squared. Ayan. So, meron tayong 0.485. So, 0.485 meters. Sige, store natin sa 8 para sakto yung masolve natin. And then, after that, so nandito na tayo sa ating point na to. So, may station na ba tayo dito? So, from this point, so meron tayong 230. So, pwede yan. So, padaanin natin dito and then ibaba natin dito. Diba? So, pwede yan. Pwede nga yun yung gawin natin. Or, pwede naman yung sa PT kanina. Kaya tayo dito. And then, i-minus pa rin natin yung y sub 2 para makarating tayo dyan. So, ang gawin ko, dito naman, since nagamit natin tong 24.24 na, gamitin naman natin 15.76. Diba? Okay, so from ang magiging plan natin to get the elevation ay from V, then baba tayo dyan sa C, and then minus natin nakuha nating y sub 2, and then ayun, nandun na tayo sa ating highest point of the curve. So meron tayong 6 plus 300. So meron tayong 11 at highest point. So, meron tayong 230. Then, yung ating length. Ito. So, ito ay 15.76 multiplied by the grade. So, meron tayong 15.76. Then, yung ating grade na 0.04. And then, yung ating minus tayo yung ating y sub 2 na nakastore sa A. Okay, so that will be the elevation of the highest point. Solve natin, 230 minus yung ating 15.76. 76 multiplied by 0.04 minus yung ating A. Ayan, so meron tayong 228.885 meters. And this will be our final answer. Ayan, so i-recap lang natin yung ating mga naging sagot. So for our first question, the length of the curve on the side of the forward tangent is 40 meters. And the station at the highest point of the curve is 6 plus 315.76. And lastly, yung ating elevation of the highest point of the curve is 228.885 meters. Ayan, and that would be all. And thank you for watching.